Is your Lincoln Nautilus key fob unresponsive? It likely needs a new battery. For 2021-2024 models, you'll typically need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This segment will guide you through the straightforward replacement process, which should take only 2 to 5 minutes. First, confirm your key fob uses a CR2032 battery by checking your owner's manual or the old battery itself. You can purchase these batteries at most stores or online for about $3 to $7 as of 2025. Make sure to get the correct type of battery. Other battery types like the CR2025 can cause compatibility issues, leading to erratic performance. In newer 2024 Nautilus models, the Sync 4 system may even alert you when the key fob battery is low, displayed right on your infotainment screen. If the fob still doesn't work post-replacement, it could indicate a deeper issue like a faulty receiver module, requiring professional service. Let's get that battery replaced. You'll need a small flat tool like a plastic pry tool or screwdriver to open the key fob. Locate the small notch on the fob's edge and carefully pry open the two halves. Insert the tool into the notch and gently twist. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the polarity, positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the key fob back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Finally, test the fob's functions, lock, unlock, and panic button, to ensure the new battery is working. Remember to recycle the old battery at a designated recycling center. If you're still having trouble, consult your owner's manual or seek assistance from a qualified technician. Keep in mind Ford is piloting smart key fobs with built-in sensors for 2025 plus models, potentially integrating with apps for remote diagnostics. By 2030, key fob battery replacements could decrease by 40% due to innovations, with a focus on eco-friendly materials.